In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a featured photo to a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because featured photos are managed directly from the business page, not from your personal profile. After you are on your Facebook business page, look near the top area of the page and click the All tab. This will open more page options and help you find the section where your featured content is managed. Next, scroll down until you see the Highlights section. This is the area where Facebook allows you to showcase selected content on your business page. When you find it, click Add Highlights to begin setting up or updating your featured photo. A window will appear called Edit Featured. Inside this window, click Add New. This will give you the option to add new content to your Highlights section. From there, click Upload Photos. Your device file picker will open, and you can browse through your files to find the image you want to feature on your Facebook business page. Select the photo that you want to use. Once you have chosen the image, click Next. Facebook will then load the photo and show you a preview. Take a moment to review the featured photo and make sure it is the correct image. This is a good time to confirm that the photo looks clear and suitable for your page. If everything looks good, click Save. This will add the photo to your Highlights section and make it visible as one of your featured items on the page. After saving, your new featured photo should appear in the Highlights area of your Facebook business page. If needed, you can return to the same section later to update, replace, or remove featured photos. This process is quick and straightforward once you know where to find the Highlights settings. The main thing is to start from your business page, open the All tab, go to Highlights, choose Add Highlights, and then upload the photo you want to feature. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.